Chloe? Chloe! Give this to Chloe. 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 Chloe! Hi guys, I'm about to head to Publix to get last minute things for Christmas breakfast, and later tonight we're gonna go look. My lips look so ashy, y'all. I'm sorry. Later tonight we're gonna go look at Christmas lights, so that will be fun. Yeah, so follow me along on this day. It's a little abridged. You guys missed coffee time and workout time, but everything happens, same routine as normal. Come along to the store with me. Hopefully it's not too crazy. Hi, you're not running me over. It's okay. Survived the grocery store, barely. Here's the thing. I mean, yeah, it was crowded, but it's also like right before Christmas. 90% of people had an attitude. And I'm just like, were you on the naughty list this year? Enjoy the lunch. I don't understand what's going on. It's an interesting trip. I just feel like people need to be nice and kind to one another during this time of year. So I'm making a cake for Christmas. You all know that I love baking. I hate cooking, but I love baking. So I'm making a red velvet cake. Hi, baby. You can't have it. It has chocolate with cream cheese frosting. So I'm gonna do that now. I love making cakes, you guys. So let me know, do you like baking or cooking? I'm a sweets girl. And honestly, since I'm not on keto anymore, especially during the holiday season, I enjoy my sweets. And it's interesting because I stepped on the scale this morning and I was down like 2 pounds. And I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. But you all know I'm not on a weight loss journey right now. I'm just on a life journey, and I'm not gonna deprive myself of cake for the holiday season because Jesus would have wanted me to have this red velvet cake. We are getting ready to look at Christmas lights. This is something that I haven't done in years. We're just gonna ride around the neighborhood, look at lights, enjoy ourselves. I would have loved to go get some Starbucks, but like, Everything's closing early today. Let's go look at some light. Enjoy the lights. You want to go look at lights, Master? You want to look at Christmas lights? You want to come? Are you going to be a good girl in the car? You're not going to whine? Yeah, I don't think that's a yes. We're back. It was so cool to look at holiday lights in the neighborhood. It was so festive. It honestly just made me like so happy. Like, it felt like Christmassy. Holiday spiced old fashioned. Let's give it a try. I don't really like old fashions, but let's try it. As we go, laughing on the way. Holiday old fashioned. Cheers. Not sure what this is gonna taste like, but let's try it. It's a little medicinal, but it's not bad. I think the holiday-y aspect kind of helps it out because a traditional old fashioned is not my vibe, but I'm gonna go enjoy her. I'll see you later. I don't think she's eating for tonight, but Vlogmas is almost over. Enjoy the treat. Okay, Chloe. Treat and another gingerbread man. Here. Hope you enjoyed today's almost last day of Vlogmas. We love you. Chloe is patiently waiting for her treat. See you guys tomorrow. Okay.